Hello friends, in this video, I will show you how to upload your YouTube videos in a proper and professional way so your channel can grow and your views can increase. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or mobile phone. Then search for studio.youtube.com and enter YouTube Studio. Now, click on the Create button at the top. Then select Upload Video. From here, choose the video that you want to upload to YouTube. Once you select the video, the upload will start immediately. First section, Details. Now we are on the first section, Details. In this section, there are three important things. Title. Write a clear, strong, and attractive title, because a good title grabs attention and plays a big role in getting people to click on your video. Description. Here, write clear information about your video. You can also add your social media links in the description. Thumbnail. Now, here we add our thumbnail because a good thumbnail increases clicks on your video. After completing the title, description, and thumbnail, click on Next. Second section, Video Elements. Now we move to the second section, Video Elements. Add subtitles here. You can add subtitles to your video if you want. Add end screen. Now we add an end screen. End screens help viewers watch another video or subscribe to your channel. Here I am now adding a video to the end screen. I added the video, and once this step is completed, click on Save. Add cards. Now let's move to cards. Cards appear during the video and guide viewers to related content. Here, I am now adding a video. I added the video so it will appear to viewers inside your video. After completing this section, click on Next. Third section, Checks. Now we are on the third section, Checks. Here, YouTube checks your video to make sure there are no copyright issues. If everything is fine and you see a green check mark, your video is clean. Then, click on Next. Fourth section, Visibility. Now we are on the final section, Visibility. Here you will see three options: Private, Unlisted, Public. I choose Public, and you should also choose Public so your video is visible to everyone. You can also set a publish time here. But remember, getting more views does not depend only on timing. The most important thing is consistent uploading. If you upload consistently, for example, 1 short every day and 2 long videos per week, your channel will definitely grow. There is no next button here anymore. After setting everything, click on Publish. Video processing after publish. After you publish the video, YouTube starts processing it. First, the video is processed in SD quality, and after some time, HD quality becomes available. If your video is not HD immediately, don't worry. This is completely normal. This was the complete and professional way to upload a YouTube video correctly. If this video was helpful for you, subscribe to our channel, like this video, leave a comment below, and share it with your friends.